Hi, Caroline here. I am the founder and the smooth operating officer here at Love Scrub to answer all your questions about African exfoliation. Sometimes it naturally just rolls in the back when you're using it on your back. And I think what happens is it gets longer, which means it gets skinnier, and then open it up to scrub your back. And it's like a little bit thinner, but I have to tell you, I feel like that is a plus because it really helps getting your back. And then also think about like your spine, that groove in your back. I feel like it really gets in there. So that's actually a good thing when that happens. And it just happens once in a while. Like I notice sometimes it happens, I'm using it, but I feel like it's only when I'm holding it a certain way. But if it's flat, if it's rolled, either way, it's gonna work great for you. Please feel free to check out our website to learn more and also to pick up an authentic African mesh body exfoliator. You'll thank us later.